To activate your CIBC credit card, you have several options. Online activation. Log into your CIBC online banking account using your username and password. Navigate to the Activate Card section. Enter the required information, including your credit card number, expiry date, and other details as prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. You may need to verify your identity for security purposes. Phone activation. Call CIBC's credit card activation number. This number is typically provided on a sticker attached to your credit card or in the welcome package. Follow the automated prompts or speak to a customer service representative. Provide the necessary information, such as your credit card number and personal details, to activate your card. ATM activation. Visit any CIBC ATM. Insert your credit card into the ATM and follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. This method may not be available for all types of credit cards.